leave you, may you do work. May you do work, come out. I come back, you know, face ordinary car. Ordinary car, Romanus. Now what you do, your hand break. As you dey work and now your hand cut, I mean, you don't see the kind of cap where this man they wear. See, I don't get anybody to come for me. So wait, how does that affect your work? Eh? How you think affect your work? You know, say, if person never chop slap from army, you know they believe say police na him friend. Now he make you they do like this.
Mr. Man, will you keep quiet? What's your problem?
See
you talk too much. Ordinary to fix common car.
Don't come off.
Ordinary to fix common car, you could not. And you are here behaving like, if I am your boss, I will ask you to leave here. Just now.
Sir, please. Romanus, keep quiet. Romanus, keep quiet. How this man going to stop to fix car? They call him ordinary. He's happy with him with 12 months. Okay, do you know where the compressor of this car is? Romanus. Do you know where the carburetor is? Romanus. Do you know where the injector is? Do you know where the capacitor is? Romanus, keep quiet. Is there any thought that you know the location of this car?
This
you are wearing...
No, this is becoming too much.
National Youth Service for cap and you are
I'm almost done.
Kiriku, what do you make you come now?
Want to put there, people put there. People want to spoil. Woman, what's the apple?
I
go answer you later. I go answer on later. Sir, please. I'm done with the car. Please check it.
Thank you very much. Where's my key?
It's inside. Okay, inside.
Romanus.
What do Romanus do?
You no go shut up. Now my senior they ask you. Is everything okay? Waiting I commit. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Very fine. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much.
They come to fiscal ordinary. Why you carry and come here?
Okay. Thank you. So how much is your workmanship?
Just give me to the car.
Hey! Oga, Jude! What is it? How can you be... Hey, what is it?
Imagine Oga Jude beat this man.
Why he's shouting?
Why?
He billed me 10,000 naira before he started acting up.
10 what?
10,000 naira.
For job? Yes, that was the equivalent of the service I would have rendered. I know my what. Do you know what is me, automobile engineer? Oga Jude don't know nothing like that. I did not quiet.
Sir, please.
It's no problem. 3,000. How do you want your money? Transfer? Or...
you know I sent you my account.
I still have your account.
You can just
okay, there's no problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Hey! Shineke. Oga Jude, can you ever make it in this mechanic?
Sandra. Papa. Are you alright? Sandra.
Papa.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're alright?
Mm-hmm.
If you're alright, then why are you spitting out something from you?
I think I have fever.
Fever. Okay. So you say you're alright. Go and get my food and come.
Okay. Why do I keep throwing up? Today's date. Oh my God. 14. Ah. I'm in trouble. I think I might be pregnant. Jonah.
Huh? This girl with this boys give me so. This boys. Okay, tomorrow I go play. If you enter. Hey. Or later.
Jojo, baby.
Sandy. What's up now?
Doing?
Yeah, that's fine.
Jojo. I'm not happy.
Yeah, tell me now. How do you hear? Tell me. Yeah.
Jojo. I am pregnant.
okay, na joke abi.
Did you see joke in my face? I am 2 weeks pregnant.
Oh yeah, na. Go meet person wey give you belle. Why you come dey tell me?
Thunder will fire you. God will punish you. Oh, so you want to deny this pregnancy, Abi? You pregnated me and you want to deny it. You're telling me to go and meet you. Is it me and anybody that did anything? God will punish you.
Come and get that. Move. I may give you belle. See. Coordinate yourself. Oh.
Okay, I will go. You don't even know who I am. You don't even know who my father is. By the time you know who I am, you will not even stay in this community. I swear.
Move. 1, 2, 3, move. See this one. You don't know when you open your leg for all these big boys, these straight boys. They don't knock you down. They can't shot. Go to.
But why you give that girl belle? No, tell me what thing carry you go give that girl belle? Why you give this girl belle now? You see what way you don't cause?
Roman, be careful. Be careful. I don't give that girl belle. How?
Oh, come on, shut up there. So you mean say na the girl give herself belle?
No, tell me oh.
The girl give herself belle.
Tell me now.
Not be once I go.
Oh, you even go once.
Once, simple.
No, but once no dey give belle. Once no dey give belle. Abi you don't forget say na for that girl body. Now you deposit all the yai bada and nonsense where you can drink.
But now once now.
Once no dey carry belle.
See, Jonah, the way they look this your face, I dey very sure say na you give that girl belle.
Ah!
Guilty.
See, I fit bet my customer car. Now you give that girl belle.
See, that girl na street girl. Not be only me want to go. The be as soon as too safe, does he go?
I no go there. I never touch that girl.
You sure?
I never even make am. But me, I know say after you touch her, they observe and say this waist don't dey increase. Although you no concern me.
How you know say the waist dey
You dey look the waist.
Because you do am now.
You dey look the
You dey look
waist.
the waist.
I know I no go look am.
Na 12 na give the girl
You
belle.
know where? Oga, I go shock you. Oga Jude, I go shock you. Mahaba, I go shock you. You go see am, bet me. Oga Jude, I go shock you. Shebi this shop where you dey insult me. You dey insult me, you talk to me anyhow. This shop, I go shock you. You go see am. Romanos, that one na your cup of tea. But you see, as long as you work in my shop, you must obey me and learn the work. Oh! Romanos, I'm not going to tell you again. Shut up because I dey work for your shop. No. Shut up because I call learn work. Now make you dey insult me. You dey talk to me anyhow. Do you know I'm a boyfriend of the daughter of a big man? Do you know he's not just a big man, he's a member of the House of Assembly, Oga. By the time that man put call, if that man put call for your matter, Oga Jude there. Romanos, let me tell you. As a mechanic, you don't even know your left from your right. Now you won't get that kind of person. I pity you, my brother. I pity you. You know why they smile, they look you? Because I dey remember your face. I go remember your face. And like this, Oga Jude, I don't mark your face. By the time I go step back to this shop, Oga Jude, I go shock you. The things what I go do, You see this shop where you take the insult me, you and Kiriku. You and Kiriku, they insult me for this shop. Say I no go make am. Say I never learn work. Say I no fit do anything. By the time I step back to this shop, Oga, you go know say I don't arrive. You go know. No worry.
Romanus.
You insult me first.
Romanus, I think I can see now that you are done learning and you want to graduate.
Oga, before you talk that thing with your mind now, make I first tell you. You see this work? I don't tire. You see this work like this, I don't do again. I don't work again. Oga Jude, carry your shop, chop am. Say that because I dey do mumu thing. Say make I learn mechanic. HK when I for don't go since. Make I go learn work. I no go HK. I no go learn work. I dey here. Me and you dey do anyhow. You think say that this kind of thing fit me? You don't know say normally this job dey dirty me. Normally this workshop e dey dirty me because me na home boy, fresh boy now. See like this, I go base. I go enter HK. I go make am. I go show you say the story of Okemute is different from my story. You go see am.
Romanus, you see that place where you won't go? I beg, no come back. Just pass there, go. I no want to see you for my shop again. Romanus, I no want to see you for my shop again. Just go like that.
Oga, I no go come back to this shop. But make I shock you. Any day when you see me, you walk out with my two left leg, enter here, Oga, cut am. Oga, cut my leg, call me bastard. But you see, any day when you see me, they come here now, eh? Any day when you see me, they come here with my convoy. Oga, kneel down, they beg me. Because I go buy this shop and I go make you my boy. You go see him. They carry me play, Abi.
God bless you. Go. Go, eh?
Oga, why you pass through Romanus?
You don't work finish, make him go, don't do.
Romanus never dey hear word. If they say me do this, I go say, go the cost person. Ask them do you go put one. You know for this one. Let me. I better talk. You for put one.
Kiriku. Where the 500 naira for the engineer your wife sent you yesterday? Where the change?
Send me yesterday.
You the Chris?
I know the question. You know say I know.
Shut up! I ask you a question. You dey follow me talk. Why the 500 naira?
You don't give any 500. Okay. The woman not give me change.
You say? As waiting. I send you a message. The woman not give you change. Which kind of talk?
I got you. I don't know.
Well
Kiriku, you know one collect the money where you give me since yesterday. Make I hold for you. I be one make I use them. Eh? I bet collect your money. Collect your money now. You know one collect your money again. Wait happened to your eye? I bet collect your money. What kind of nonsense with this one?
Ah!
But Oga, sorry, you know say life no balance. Life don't shop balance. Don't shop you balance.
Kiriku.
Oga, sorry now, go now. Oga, you know say life don't shop you balance.
Hey, time don't they shock me, oh. Anytime I get. How far now?
Woman, where now?
Hey, I won't go meet my girl now, Anita. She wait for me for junction.
I make your drill like big man, so you want to go see Anita?
Yes, no.
No be lie.
I be now. Ah, look.
Oh, my, you dope.
Well, I don't tell the girl, say, make she wait for me for that E3.
Are you serious?
I don't tell her, say, make she dey chew anything where she like. On her arrive now, I go pay.
Roma.
Yes, now.
Hey!
Yes,
all your
nah.
money.
Yes, now.
No be lie.
Yes, now.
It clear now. It clear. No matter.
Oh, but I go now, eh? Make I go. See, you two make you go work now.
Me move now.
I better go work because me and Anita fit come house. I don't want to hear story. Just they go. I don't want to meet anybody for us.
No problem. You do okay, oh.
Abi?
You sweet.
I enter now.
I'm
For your center like this now.
Hey,
babe, what's up? I'm the guy they might call Romanos.
I mean, I was saying your back like that, but I follow you. Roma. The person will go flex himself, so. Guys get carried below the water. I'm going to say.
Jonah.
Sandra.
Jonah, so I can't call you, Abi. I came to call you. My father said I should come and call you, and you're forming Superman for me, Abi.
Your father na God. Your papa na God. See, go and tell your father I'm not coming.
I should go and tell my father that you're not coming.
Yes.
See, Jonah, why I'm quiet like this, why I'm taking it easy with you like this? Because I love you. It's because I love you.
Ta! Think I'm afraid of your father. See, I don't fear anything. I'm not afraid of your father. See, go and tell your father to come and see me. In fact, go and tell your father to come and see me. Me, Jonah Limited.
I should go and tell my father to come and see you.
Yes.
Do you know who my father is?
Who is your father?
Do you know who my father is? The only Ikuku is whom you're playing with, Abi. If he comes here, all this building will fall apart. You don't know.
If your father like, it should be a Ikuku. Me, Jonah, I'm not living here. Yes, go and tell your father. I said so, yes. Go and tell your father.
No problem. Okay.
Leave this place.
No problem.
Go home.
I'll go and bring my father.
Go and bring
And
your
when my father comes here, you will regret your life.
Eh.
Forget that love, oh.
Okay.
Okay.
See this one. Look at this one. Eh? Common one shot. Boom. Saying get belle. Eh? You see fine boy like me, you no fit chop me clean out. You tell me I go see your papa for house. You be small picky. Ha! Jonah suffer. So I just get those excuse my clothes. Cause so I take package. Jonah!